Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you a Christmas room reveal plus a DIY if I can't find what I'm looking for at the shops today. And I'm really just sharing with you how I'm just decorating for Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course I'd love you to stick around, subscribe and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay guys, so I am back from the shops and I didn't actually get what I wanted to get. There was nothing really big in there, but I did get really inspired for a DIY. So basically what I saw is lots and lots of different sort of like flowers in vases and stuff like that, which were all like Christmas themed. So I thought, you know what, this is a really cool idea. I'm going to make my own little flower arrangement, and I'm going to make it with obviously Christmas decorations, but with something free from my garden. So let's jump into that quick DIY. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. How cool is it? I'm really happy with how it's turned out. And who would have thought, a few sticks from the garden, an op shop vase. Yes. I didn't sort of have any decor pieces to put either side of it, so I've just used some Christmas baubles which go in the Christmassy theme. I've also got these confetti. They're like a diamond confetti, and I honestly think these won't last 5 minutes because Charlie will see them and say they're her jewels, and that will be it because she loves bling just as much as her mother does. So yeah, I think she's going to claim these as her little treasures. But yeah, that's just one little area, which is my entry area. If you've seen my house before, you would know that's my entry area. And this is the area all together, and you can see I have reused some Christmas decorations from last year because I'm not going to re-spend heaps of money. It is just not, you know, not feasible for me anyway. So these are the ones I picked up today. These cute little reindeers. These were from When and Where. And then I also picked up this vase. So yes, it's not really Christmassy, but the colours, you see the colours of the like little feathers inside them actually match up with her outfit. And then obviously the white is very Christmassy, and I can reuse this all year round. The little wood thing here is, believe it or not, just a Kmart wand thing from the craft section. I think they're in a 2-pack. Basically, you can see that I've tried to reuse colors in here, because when you are like decorating and with interior design, it's always important to repeat matter. The other trick that I did do, which I did share with you what I was doing, was I've actually just wrapped up these books here, and that is just to give the area some height. So I didn't have to go and purchase new things, because I didn't actually see anything that I liked, and I would have just seriously been wasting my money on something that I don't love and appreciate and value, and that is just not what I'm all about. And I'll show you the area all together so you can see it from far back. You can sort of see what that looks like all together, and how the colors sort of marry in together as well. This year I actually decided I'm going to decorate the couch area. I haven't done anything amazing, because I'm just going to have to put this away at night time for my cats. So I just got this cushion here. It's got some really cute little tassels on it, and this one here is from Aldi, so absolutely love that. And then I just reused my throw. This one here is from Pillow Talk. It is old stock though, guys, so if you're after it, it might not be available. It is the Moose brand. And over here I just have this little guy here, which was on Spotlight a couple of years ago. Honestly, you can always rebuy these, like they have them pretty much every year. Kmart's got similar ones this year as well. And also this little feather Christmas tree, he's also from Spotlight. They do have a lot of these. I have seen them like 2 or 3 years in a row as well as like matching wreaths. I did want to buy like a tray, that's it, like a wooden one, like the Kmart ones, so it would match up with this over here better, but unfortunately they didn't have any in stock, true Kmart style, so I just had to bear with it. Then over here is my Leaning Tower of Pisa. So I think when I put the Christmas lights on, it sort of went skew-iff to the left. You don't know if you can notice it or not. I might actually remove the picture from up there as well. But this is what it looks like this year. I'll give you a little close up. So it's very similar to last year. I love the flowers. I love birds. I love, you know, all that sort of stuff. So this is what I've just gone with. The Christmas flowers here, these ones are from last year, which were Kmart Magnolias, and then the birds were from Adairs. I've got another lot of birds somewhere. The pink one up here is also from Adairs, and then this one is from Bed Bath & Table, and then these ones were from Better Bargains, I think. And then these ones here were the ones that I got from Spoils as well. I do have some expensive Christmas ornaments, but yeah, the price just really, really adds up, doesn't it? And this is what this area looks like from far back. I don't know if I'm going to keep the plant there either. I just don't have anywhere to put it, and I don't want to clutter up my spare room for Christmas. The only thing that I'm sort of not happy with it matching is this advent calendar here, but I really want to use it, so I might end up moving that to the kitchen area. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with how it's turned out. Okay, so before I wrap this video up today, guys, I actually wanted to know, what do you prefer to see? Do you prefer to see like room reveals like this, or do you prefer to see the whole process? To me, I like to see a bit of both when I watch videos, but sometimes I feel that they can drag on if you're not getting any value out of seeing the whole process. So if they're not talking you through why they're doing things the way that they're doing and the logic behind it, then I feel like it can be a little bit of a waste of time. So let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer just to see reveals, or do you want to see the whole process if it's something that you can feel like you can get something out of? So let me know in the comments below. And the other thing is, did you notice how white my couch is? Yes. So I did a reel on Instagram, which you can go and check me out there if you haven't already. I am at Instalook Interiors, and I am planning to do more and more reels in the future. I've only just got my phone back from dropping it in water. So that's why I've been a little bit, you know, away from Instagram. So I've got it back, and hopefully I'm back. Hopefully my health is good enough to keep it going as well, because I do get really bad migraines. So Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bells, and I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.